America, we will look at the key concepts, that is a brief idea of the formation of continents. Today, we are only going to learn about this formation of continents. Let us look at the map. Today's map, present day map, you can see there are 7 continents. What are the 7 continents? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. And 5 oceans are there. Those are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. Which one is the largest continent? The largest continent is Asia. Second largest is Africa. Third largest is North America. Fourth largest South America. Fifth largest Antarctica. Sixth largest is Europe and the smallest is Australia. But long back, before 225 million years ago, the map was not the same. According to German geophysicist Alfred Wegener, who has given continental drift theory, he proved that the continents were joined together to form a single mass of land, forming a supercontinent called Pangaea. As you can look at the picture, all the continents are joined together to form a supercontinent called Pangaea. Pangaea was surrounded by a huge mass of water, or you can say super ocean, called Panthalassa. Gradually, with the passage of time, near about 150 million years ago, due to rotation of the earth. How? Due to rotation of the earth, Pangaea was broken into 2 blocks, that is Laurasia and Gondwana. A sea was formed in between 2 continental blocks, between Laurasia and Gondwana, that is Tethys Sea. Again, with the passage of the time, let us look at 100 million years ago. Gradually, the continents came into existence. The land masses drifted away from each other and a shape of different continents came into existence in the map. But you can observe, apart from 7 continents, India was a separate block of land floating on the ocean. India was considered to be part of Gondwana land, which gradually drifted towards the Asia and formed its part. Today's present day map, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans, as we have learned at the beginning. Now, Wegener's theory, continental drift, was again proved by another evidence. What was the evidence? A extinct species of elephant, African elephant, mammoth, was found frozen in Antarctica, which aged around 100 million years ago. That means around 100 million years ago, this mammoth has travelled from Africa to Antarctica. This also proved that the continents were joined together to form a supercontinent, Pangaea. Now let us read another theory, which is an improved theory of Wegener's continental drift. That is theory of plate tectonics. What is this theory of plate tectonics? The earth crust is divided into large plates. Now let us learn what is tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are large masses of lithosphere or land which float independently. As you can see in the book, there are 26 plates. It is told 6 major plate and 20 minor plates. But present day there are 7 major plates and rest are minor plates. Which are the 7 major plates? African plate, Antarctic plate, Eurasia plate, Indo-Australian plate, North American plate, South American plate and Pacific plate. So, according to theory of plate tectonics, the plates are still breaking apart and they are not stationary. So, up to this much today. Thank you, class. Stay at home. Stay safe.